Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard once again. Today I'm gonna finally be reviewing the HEQ UAV O4 3-axis G Port Gimbal. And if you remember, I already reviewed the O3 version of this gimbal. I put it on a 3.5 inches drone and I made a dual operator setup. I used this to chase chicken together with my girlfriend who was piloting the gimbal. The O3 quality was fine, but the O4 is so much better. I'm super excited to finally put this on this drone. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Instructions, carbon fiber mounting plate, cables, screws and grommets. And this is the gimbal, which comes at 67 grams. It has the updated camera mount for the O4 and also the updated MIPI connector for the new camera. These are the gimbal rotation angles, and on the bottom you have a ton of connectors. There is a USB-C port to connect to the computer and modify the parameters with a dedicated software. This is the input voltage. It takes from 12 volts to 18. And these connectors are for the input. You can control it with S-Bus, PWM or Mavlink, and you can set it up where you like. You can use a dedicated controller with the sticks, you can control it with the sliders on your controller, or even set up a head tracking setup. To mount the O4 system on the gimbal, we need to remove this bracket right here. Open the O4 camera, remove the connector, pop out this rubber holder so you can pass the connector through the housing. Pass the MIPI cable inside the bracket first, then inside the camera back housing and connect to the camera. Close the camera back up again, reinsert the rubber holder, secure the camera in the bracket with the screws and mount the bracket on the gimbal. And this part is done. Now let's focus on the other end of the cable. For this you need to open the O4 system. Be very careful because it's super delicate. Remove the old ribbon cable and slot in the gimbal one. And boom, you can close it and it's done. And finally it's built. I have used the same exact setup as last time. The camera is soft mounted on its own mount. There is a 3D printed mount adapter on the bottom and a little 3D printed antenna and O4 holder at the back which fits the O3 as well. The power for the gimbal is supplied by 4 cells out of the 6 of the 6S battery of this drone. I just use a balance connector. And the S-Bus for manually controlling the gimbal is supplied by this Express LRS receiver which is on the bottom. In the G Port configuration software on your computer you can set up the gimbal however you like. You can set up what channel does what, you can control many things, reset the gimbal and even select if you want the gimbal upright or the camera undersling on the bottom like this. For example, I have set up this stick to control the gimbal and you can also go up and down. If you press this button on the back, I have set it up so it resets and recenters the gimbal. And finally, it's time to fly. I have collected all the chicken and we have a special pilot today who's gonna control the camera. Show them.
Hi guys, yes, I will manage the camera. I will be very precise.
Turn it the other way.
Oh.
Boom. And I will control the drone. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I have my view, you have yours.
Okay, perfect.
Is the camera turning?
Find
oh,
out,
the cat. The cat went hiding.
Let's
okay,
find out,
remember you have to press the reset button 2 times, otherwise your controls will be reversed. Okay, we have probably a chicken behind here. No. Okay, are you able to control the camera?
Let's move it. Yes, I have the...
Okay, we have a chicken.
Okay.
I have issues with the signal because we have the cameras screaming into each other. Okay.
One is here.
Have you locked the chicken? Are you following the chicken?
Yeah. I'm moving with the camera.
Okay,
another one. Let's find out the other.
It's hard because I don't have perfect signal.
I lost the views of the chicken.
How is your signal?
I don't know.
Like, are you seeing clearly or do you have some interference?
I see.
Can you see the dog?
Wait, yes, here is Pimpy.
pretty annoyed. He was pretty annoyed at the drone. So where the hell are the chicken? I called all of them.
Maybe from here.
No.
It's a bit difficult to find out.
Yeah, no, not on the roof. I hope. I hope.
Maybe they have flight.
We have an issue. If the chickens start flying, they will go.
Where are?
I don't know.
Maybe
Because
here.
I am not seeing very well. Oh. I don't. Oh, there they are.
Oh, where?
There they are.
Okay,
I hope the signal works.
I'm here.
I need to, make them come home. Come on.
Collecting.
My
chicken
signal
to
is
the meeting point.
not great because she has the O4 system which is screaming into my puny Caddx Vista. Yeah. Okay. Have you locked?
I'm here.
Have you locked the chicken?
Yes, I'm with there.
Okay, I'm gonna try going closer.
Okay, just two now, but the third one.
Yeah,
is,
one we lost it.
behind.
We have another two here. Another two here.
Yes, I'm here.
Oh! Have you seen
The
jump?
Yes, but just for a little.
Another
part.
one. Let's see if we can
Yes.
have a
okay.
nice.
But,
Don't
we have,
stop.
I'm
We get
in the
chicken
flight.
nuggets.
I'm this guy.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh!
Usain Bolt chicken.
It's running very fast.
Okay. Yes, this is the right direction for the chicken because.
Yes, he goes home.
We have to go together with the other.
Okay, can you get a sideways shot?
Oh!
Maybe I need to do another video putting the camera on the back of the drone so we can get. Okay. The chicken is not gonna follow us though.
Guys, I hope you are well with my control.
How are you piloting? Being honest. How are? Because I will watch the video later.
Situation.
Because I remember last
Sometimes
time.
I'm really focused on your flight, and sometimes I lost the control.
Okay, no problem. As long as we got some nice shots.
Let's have
I bring you for a
panoramic.
ride, for a panoramic ride around.
We have the Mount Soracte.
Yeah, that's the Mount Sorate down there. More chicken. We only have my super old cat.
Here we have
Mono.
the 20 years old cat with one eye and the Rimzler's logo.
He doesn't care that much about the drone. Like all the other animals are hiding. He's just so used 20 years of chasing him.
Let's have a circle around us.
Around us? Okay, nice. Can you keep us
Yes.
in view? Oh my god, this is a fresh battery from CNHL. It's a 1500 milliamps, but it's lasting forever. 7 minutes and 26 of flying with this monster of a camera setup. I didn't expect it to fly this long. I guess
Really?
it's almost, yeah. I guess it's almost time.
Oh!
That's
Here we
where all the
have,
chicken are. Oh
yes.
my god, the
Oh.
dust. Let's go away. And it was a ton of fun flying this drone, but for me it was a regular experience. I wish we could switch places so I could control the gimbal myself. I need to find some local pilot to fly the drone. And actually, I watched the video back. Sometimes there is a little bit of vibration. Maybe this mount is not really optimal on top of everything like this. But if you stabilize with gyroflow, everything goes away and it's a super smooth footage. When the camera is rotating from the stick input, you can see it's a little bit quick and abrupt. I probably should have added a little bit of expo inside the stick control itself. I wish they had some kind of smoothing function to the gimbal configuration tool because it's kind of needed for more cinematic movements. And I was also actually thinking about putting the gimbal in the middle of a smaller drone so you could have an unobstructed view all around. But the problem is this gimbal doesn't turn full 360. This is the limit So you will always be limited to choose one direction, either front and a little bit of side, or back and a little bit of side. Maybe you can put it in this direction and have front, back, and left or right. You have to choose one of those. And also I need to find someone to chase, maybe someone with a bike, go inside the woods. And that's all for this video. Remember to like, subscribe and comment. Let me know what you think about this gimbal, and also let me know if you have other ideas I can maybe try. And as always, if you wanna buy something, click on the links in the description below. Many times you find discounts and you help this channel a lot. Thank you so much, stay safe and happy flying. Bye!